Hello and welcome to my reset vlog. I had COVID and I can tell you I don't know where I got it from, but we went in for Easter, I got home, and then all of a sudden it hit me like a freight train and I was out for the last 2 weeks. So I am trying to catch up on cleaning and just feeling better. I haven't had coffee in 2 weeks, so being able to have coffee again has felt really great and has definitely improved my mood overall. But today, I'm like, we need to reset the house, we need to get everything cleaned, organized, and of course, something else that I've been trying to do is just like shower, make myself feel better, just get myself ready for the day. There's something about like doing my hair and putting clothes on and just doing the whole process that just makes me feel human. And I just wanted to do that. This house is just, again, it's cluttered, it's messy. I just want things organized so I don't have to worry about it. The kitchen needs to be organized, dishes put away. So let's start with the bedroom. Since I had COVID, I really wanted to do our bed sheets, just get everything cleaned and again organized because I didn't want the sickness around anymore. So we started with the bed sheets, pretty much just getting them taken off the bed and put in the wash just so I had enough time to do the other things while this was getting washed and ready. And this little area is just next to the bed. It's just gotten dirty over the like months where like we were putting bottles on there and I have not cleaned it. So today was the day and I was vacuuming. Our room just had like little black dots everywhere, so I'm like, it needs to be done. I also vacuumed the bed, again, just trying to get rid of the sickness and give it a real good clean. Again, just doing the floors because I can't remember the last time, I'm not gonna lie, I did the floors here. So got that all done, and then I just wanted to kind of start in this front area, get everything cleaned up and organized, move the water to the kitchen, sweep the floor, vacuum the floor, mop the floor, just again resetting, getting everything cleaned and nice and put together. This area just always gets so dirty because it's right by the front door, so we're always tracking stuff in, and this mat always gets dirty as well. So being able to vacuum everything and then mop the floor as well just felt really nice because you get those like little areas that are just sticky, and now that our daughter is crawling all over the place, I just want everything to be cleaned for her. And then of course the dishes just piled up. Every single time I would wash dishes, I would just keep piling them up on top of each other. And I'm someone who hates that when it happens. So today was the day I was like, okay, before I wash any more dishes, we are putting away the dishes that are there. And then I washed the few dishes that needed to be done just because I could not put them on top of the other ones. I did her bottles that we used for the morning and just wiped down the kitchen. The kitchen always is the dirtiest place in the house, I think, for us, because like we use it all the time. We're in there cooking, we're in there making coffee, just doing a bunch of stuff. So this room always gets dirty. I'm constantly keeping up with this area overall. And the stove just kind of got dirty as well with cooking and things just sitting. So it felt really nice to get that done. And then the bed sheets were ready to be transferred over. So I got that done and proceeded to sweep the floor and mop the floor. And the cat's food is always everywhere because they just eat and get it everywhere. It's lovely having cats. And then I proceeded just to do the front room, again, with our daughter crawling around and getting into everything. I just don't want her to pick random things off the floor and put them in her mouth. So I am making sure that everything is clean and organized so I know exactly what is where, and again, so she's not putting random things in her mouth, and I feel better about that. So this felt really nice to do today. So it feels really good to have everything cleaned since being sick. Everything's just gotten cluttered and I hate the clutter. I like to have things exactly where I want them. I like things to be put together, to look clean. So it felt really nice to do like a deep clean today just to get things back in order. Once everything's cleaned, it doesn't take that much like energy or much time to keep it there. It's getting it there to begin with. So I am so glad that I got this done today. Now I'm going to sit down, try to get some videos edited. I did nothing that whole time I was sick. I just rested, slept, took care of my daughter, and repeated. So today I want to try to get some videos edited, start getting on this one edited, and getting back into the content creation flow. For 2 weeks now, I think, haven't posted anything, and that's because I've just been taking care of myself. And now that I feel like I'm in a better place with my health, I can jump back in. So getting back into content creation, editing, and getting stuff ready to go. So thanks for hanging out with me today as I just reset after having COVID. It was crazy, but I'm glad it's over and I am excited to get back to creating content again.